What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best electric vehicle charger you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Evdance. Let's get started. Product feature. Universal compatibility. Designed for convenience, this Level 1 EV charger works with most J1772 electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles in North America. Tesla owners can also connect effortlessly with a J1772 adapter. Flexible power options. It offers versatile charging with a NEMA 620 plug for 16-amp 240 volts, plus an adapter for standard NEMA 515/520 outlets, providing 12-amp 120-volt charging. Extended reach. Enjoy effortless charging from anywhere in your garage or driveway, thanks to the generous 25-foot cable, ensuring convenience no matter where you park. On-the-go portability. With its included carrying bag, the Evdance charger is perfect for travel, making sure you always have a reliable charging solution wherever your journey takes you. Smart monitoring. An intuitive LED display keeps you informed with clear charging status updates and alerts for any errors, giving you complete peace of mind during every charge. Superior safety and durability. Built with rugged materials, an intelligent chip for continuous monitoring, it's FCC CE certified, boasts IP66 housing, and a UL 94V0 fire rating for ultimate protection. Reliable support. Evdance stands by its product with a 1-year warranty and dedicated, responsive customer support, ensuring you get assistance and reassurance whenever you need it. Pros. This charger truly puts your convenience and safety first. Its universal compatibility means less worry about your vehicle type, and the flexible plug options adapt to your home's power. The long cable and portability bring unparalleled freedom, letting you charge safely and reliably wherever life takes you, ensuring your EV is always ready for your next adventure. Cons. While incredibly versatile, it's important to note the charger isn't directly compatible with certain high-power outlets like NEMA 615, 1030, 1430, 1450, or 650 without an appropriate third-party adapter. Planning for your specific outlet type is key. Final thoughts. Choosing the right EV charger is about more than just power. It's about peace of mind, flexibility, and integrating seamlessly into your daily life. The Evdance offers exactly that, a dependable, safe, and incredibly convenient charging experience. It's designed to support your journey, making every drive smooth and worry-free. Embrace the ease of electric driving with confidence. Ready to power up your EV with ease and confidence? This charger is a game changer. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video for more insights into products that make your life better.